Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start transition elements. Last session we ended at group trends. Now we have to start how can we give IUPAC naming to complexes. आईयूपैक नेमिंग देने के लिए आपको लाजमी याद रखना है कि आपके पास एलिमेंट्स, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स यूजुअली एक स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में होता है और ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट आपके पास तीन तरह से आ सकती है। तो तीन तरह कौन कौन से हैं? खाली स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, क्या पता स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के बाद कोई चीज मौजूद हो, और क्या पता स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट से पहले कोई चीज मौजूद हो। तो ये तीन पॉसिबिलिटीज हो गई। हमेशा याद रखिएगा, अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स पे कोई भी चार्ज मौजूद नहीं है, इट मींस वो न्यूट्रल है। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स पे के बाद जैसे कि ये ब्लू लाइन मौजूद है, इट मीन कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉजिटिव है, बाद वाली चीज नेगेटिव। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स से पहले कोई चीज मौजूद है तो वो पहले वाली चीज आपकी पॉजिटिव होगी और बाद वाली चीज नेगेटिव। Above two methods are same and complex negative is different. In case of neutral, you have to remember that in a complex there are two main things. One of them, the first one is metal, all the other things are your ligand. Metal belongs to D block and this L is your ligand, which is a electron pair donor. Electron pair donor. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर को दो मुख्तलिफ कैटेगरीज में ब्रेक किया जा सकता है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ चार्ज, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ चार्ज there are two main categories which you have to remember. One of them is negative ligand and the second one neutral ligand. नेगेटिव लिगेंड चार्ज नेगेटिव होगा, जिसको हम एनायनिक भी बोलते हैं। और एलिमेंट्स की जब बात होगी, देन यू हैव टू कैटेगरीज. वन ऑफ देम एज ऑर्गेनिक एंड द सेकेंड वन इनऑर्गेनिक. ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक को मेंशन करने का मकसद, प्रीफिक्स चेंज होंगे. ऑर्गेनिक में बिस, ट्रिस, टेट्राकिस, सोन, पेंटाकिस, हेक्साकिस, सोन. जबकि इनऑर्गेनिक में डाई, ट्राई, टेट्रा, पेंटा, हेक्सा, सोन. नेगेटिव और न्यूट्रल में याद रखना है, सफिक्स चेंज होता है. नेगेटिव में सफिक्स यूजुअली अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर लिगेंड मौजूद है तो सफिक्स आपका होगा ओ. न्यूट्रल में कोई भी सफिक्स नहीं लगता. इसके अलावा लिगेंड को अगर कैटेगराइज करना होगा, लिगेंड में आपने याद रखना है लिगेंड मोनोडेंटेट भी होता है और पॉलीडेंटेट भी होता है। मोनोडेंटेट those ligands which can donate one electron pair are said to be monodentate. Those ligands which can donate two or more than two are called polydentate. वापस आते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स की तरफ। कॉम्प्लेक्स अगर न्यूट्रल होगा तो सबसे पहले आप नाम लिखेंगे लिगेंड का, देन मेटल और लास्ट में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉजिटिव होगा लिगेंड, देन मेटल, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, एंड द लास्ट वन वुड बी नेगेटिव पार्ट। लिगेंड्स की नेमिंग में आपने अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर को प्रेफर करना है। ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कैलकुलेट करना आपने चैप्टर नंबर 7 में सीखा। लास्ट थिंग, अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स नेगेटिव होगा तो सबसे पहले कैटायन, देन लिगेंड, और जब यहां पे आप लिगेंड्स का नाम लिख रहे होंगे, नेगेटिव लिगेंड फर्स्ट, then neutral, then metals, Latin name, then suffix ATE, and the last one would be your oxidation number. इन 3 रूल्स को अगर आपने याद रख लिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके आयुर्वेदिक नेमिंग इनऑर्गेनिकली कंप्लीट हो जाएगी। दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूं, अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स न्यूट्रल होगा लिगेंड फर्स्ट, देन मेटल, लास्ट वुड बी योर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉजिटिव हो और एनाइन मौजूद हो तो लिगेंड, देन मेटल, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, एंड द लास्ट वन वुड बी योर एनाइन। कॉम्प्लेक्स नेगेटिव, cation should be named first, then your ligand with negative ligand first, neutral ligand at second, then metals Latin name, then suffix, and the last one would be your oxidation state. Few examples, HgCOSCN, NH3 5CO3 Cl, PT NH3 2 Cl, NO2, K3 Fe CN6, K4 Fe CN6, and one more NiCO4. First you have to try all these and then I will start. Pause the video and try to solve these. Okay, first of all you have to memorize some ligands. I will categorize in 2 types, negative and the neutral one. For negative, first of all you have to memorize OH negative, NO2 negative, NO3 negative, Cl negative, F negative, C2O4 minus 2, CO3 minus 2, SCN minus 1, NCS minus 1, NH2 negative, and any other Cn minus 1, NC minus 1. Okay. OH negative, hydroxide, hydroxo. NO2 negative, nitro. NO3 negative, nitrato. Cl negative, chloro. F negative, fluoro. C2O4 minus 2, oxalato. CO3 minus 2, carbonato. SCN negative, thiocyanato. Isothiocyanato. Amino cyanato, isocyanato. Then we have neutral ligand, H2O, NH3, CO, NO. H2O, aqua, NH3, amine, CO, carbonyl, NO, nitrosyl. And few organic ligands, in your papers you have only one organic ligand which is used as EN, ethylene diamine. Which can be like this: CH2, CH2, NH2, NH2. Right? Trying to solve all these problems. First of all, problem number 1, Hg. Hg is the positive part. You will name it first as mercury. Then in your complex, you have one ligand, SCN, which is named as thiocyanato, You have 4 thiocyanato, which would become something like this tetra-thiocyanato. Then you have cobalt. For the sake of cobalt, you have to memorize that this is a negative complex, then the name should be Latin, cobalt, and the suffix would be ate, cobaltate. Mercury tetra-thiocyanato cobaltate, right? For oxidation number, you have to solve this like mercury have charge +2. Cobalt you have to calculate. SCN is -1, it means -4. -4 plus 2 you will have -2. Then the oxidation number would be 2. Second one, complex is positive or negative? Complex is positive. Therefore, you will name first ligands. There are 2 ligands, NH3 and CO3. NH3 is amine, CO3 is carbonato. A would be named first or C would be named first? A would be named first. Penta Why penta? Because you have 5 NH3, therefore it would be named something like that. Penta. NH3 would be amine. CO3 is carbonato. Then you have to write your metal's name, cobalt. As the complex is positive, there would be no suffix. Then your oxidation number, and the last is Cl, which is anion, which would be named as chloride. For oxidation number cobalt, you have to calculate. NH3 is 0, 0 into 5, 0. Carbonate is -2, Cl is -1. -1, -2, you are going to have -3, -3 and 0, -3. Then your oxidation number would be 3. Next, Pt, NH32, Cl, NO2. The complex have no initial thing or nothing at right end. Therefore, the complex is neutral. First of all, you have to memorize that the ligands are amine, chloro, and nitro. Therefore, you are going to have amine first because you have to write alphabetically. 2 means di. NH3 is amine, diamine. Then N or C? C would be chloro, NO2, nitro, and the last one would be metal, platinum. And you have to calculate the oxidation number, which would be platinum. You have to calculate. NH3 is 0, Cl -1, NO2 -1. -1 and -1 you are going to have 2. Then the oxidation number would be 2. Next is K3FeCN6. K is present on the left side, therefore K is positive, and all other thing is negative. Therefore, you will name Kf initially. K would be potassium. Then complex, initially the ligand, hexa. Cn is cyano. As complex is negative, therefore the metal's name should be written Latin. Latin means it would be ferrous, and you have to write suffix Ate, ferrate. For oxidation number, K is +1 multiplied by 3 plus 3. Fe, you have to calculate. Cn -1 into 6 -6 -6 plus 3, you are going to have 3. This is your name. एक बात आपने लाजमी याद रखनी है कि अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स के बाहर कोई चीज मौजूद है तो उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर मेंशन नहीं होगा, ये जितने भी नंबर्स मेंशन किए हुए हैं, these are basically your coordination number which are attached to your metal. Next one is K4FeCN6. K means potassium, 4 को नहीं लिखेंगे. Then same 6, hexa. Cn is cyano. Fe, Latin name, ferrate. And the last one would be your oxidation number. For oxidation number, K +1 into 4 plus 4, Cn -1 into 6 -6. Fe calculate करना है. -6 plus 4 -2. Then your oxidation number would be 2. Last one for our practice. 4 means tetra. CO is a neutral ligand. Tetra carbonyl Ni nickel, and for oxidation number Ni कैलकुलेट करना है CO 0 into 4 0 0 plus anything you are going to have nothing 0 plus nothing 0, therefore the oxidation number would be 0. Copy this. मैंने आपके सामने तकरीबन 12 एग्जाम्पल्स लिख दिए हैं ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. कोशिश कीजिएगा, मुझे पिक कीजिएगा. जो पॉइंट क्लियर ना हो उसको कमेंट में लाजमी लिखिएगा. पहला कॉम्प्लेक्स आपके पास पॉजिटिव है, बाद वाली चीज नेगेटिव है, लाजमी याद रखिएगा. तो पॉजिटिव में सबसे पहले आप लिगेंड्स का नाम लिखेंगे. NH3 अमाइन, H2O aqua. For 3 you have to write tri. NH3 is your amine. Then 3 tri. H2O means aqua. Then you have metal, chromium. Then you will have your oxidation number. On right side, this is anion, chloride, and you have to memorize after the complex we write with some kind of E suffix. For oxidation number, NH3 is 0, H2O is also 0, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, you are going to have your oxidation number 3. Then you have second example, complex is positive, cation. Cl, En, ethylene, chloro. What would be the first? C would be the first. 2 means di, Cl means chloro. Then again 2 with the organic ligand would be bis, En, ethylene, diamine. CO is cobalt. Then the oxidation number would be minus 1 into 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Then the oxidation number would be 1. As the complex is positive with a charge, therefore you have to write ion. Okay, next. An element before the complex, it means complex is negative. First of all, you have to write the cation, potassium. Then in complex, you have to write ligand first. 3 means tri. C2O4 is oxalato. Then you have aluminium, which would be aluminate, and then the oxidation number plus 1 minus 2 multiply by 3 minus 6 plus 1, you are going to have charge 5. Next is complex only. It means complex is neutral. First of all, you have to write the names of ligand. This is amine, chloro, and nitro. Diamine, then chloro, NO2, nitro, platinum, and the last one would be your oxidation number. For oxidation number 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, oxidation number would be 2. Complex, after complex you have Cl, it means complex is positive. You have to write ligand's name first. 6 means hexa, NH3 means amine, CO, cobalt, then oxidation number, and the last is Cl, which would be chloride. Charge would be -3. Why it would be -3? NH3 0 into 6 0. Cl -1 into 3 -3 plus 0. You are going to have -3, which would be shifted towards right side. Then next is complex is positive, Cl negative. It means you have to write the name of ligand first. Tetraamine dichlorochromium and the last one would be chloride. For oxidation number, -1 into 2 -2, 0 into 4 0. 0 and -2 -2, Cl -1 -2 -1 -3, which would become 3. For further example, first one is CO En3NO3 NO3 is outside the complex, it means it is negative and the complex is positive. First of all, you have to write the complex name. En is organic ligand, 3 means tris, En means ethylene diamine, then CO cobalt. Oxidation number, NO3 is nitrato, which would become nitrate. Okay. For oxidation number, -1 into 3 3. Next one is PTNH3 First of all, you have to write name of ligand, di and tetra. Di is amine, tetra is chloro, then platinum, oxidation number 0 -4 4. Next one is amine nitro, tri, and that would be your oxidation number as 3. How? Triamine, trinitro, CO is cobalt, and at last you have oxidation number. Next one is di, then straight, and last one would be your oxidation number 1. Diamine, silver 1, and anionic part hydroxide. Next, tetra, oxidation number would be 2. Okay, tetraamine, copper 2, and the next one would be sulfate. Next one, sodium. Before the complex, you have to write the name first. It would be sodium. 6 means hexa, NO, nitrosyl, then the metal name cobalt, which would become cobaltate. Why cobaltate? Because complex is negative. Cobaltate, and the last would be oxidation number +3 0 3. Copy this. I hope you will pick all of my points which I make you memorize. Practice all these problems. Thank you.